The natural elements of your house are highlighted not just through its gardens, but in the overall design of its landscape. Its design combines a good understanding and expertise in nature and construction. This is where your landscape contractor comes in.
Landscape design is getting more and more important nowadays, no? First, I think because we're getting more environmentally conscious, right? The second point is that landscape design talks about not just the plants, but all the other elements in the landscape, you know, the water features, the rockscapes, you know, the lighting in your garden. So it's very important that you consider all of these elements and then you consult professionals. Cypress Bomanite really started as Cypress Garden way back in 1972. Since then, I think one of the biggest accomplishments or milestones of the company was when we got the Bomanite franchise from the US in 1991. Eventually, we have a full range of decorative concrete products now in the market. The other key milestone happened 2 years ago when Bomanite USA gave us the sole rights to handle the whole Southeast Asian market, and we also started manufacturing Bomanite products in the Philippines. Our company's tagline is creating beautiful solution. You know, we want projects that does not just look beautiful, but we want to make sure that it provides practical solutions to the clients. We really provide a whole spectrum of landscaping services. We do design build for residential projects, construction, water features, resort development. We also retail all sorts of landscaping products, natural stones, pebbles. But one of the main products that we are pushing right now would be the decorative concrete product lines. Polished concrete for interiors, exposed finish for the outdoors. There's a lot of things that we really can do now with decorative concrete.
Backed by years of experience in the landscaping industry, Cypress Bomanite introduced the advantages of decorative concrete as part of the landscaping feature.
Decorative concrete is a very flexible product. You can color concrete any way you want. It can be used for exterior, interior. You can texture it, you can polish it. There's a lot of finish that you can do with decorative concrete. So that's number one, it's very flexible. Number two, it's very functional. You know, concrete is the most common construction material. It's very durable, especially with the advances in technology today. Concrete can be made to last from 25 to 40 years now, so it's a lot more durable now. And number three, concrete is still one of the most affordable products in the market.
Cypress Bomanite utilizes an innovative cast-in-place system which provides durability and resilience needed for different traffic and environmental conditions.
What we have introduced in the Philippines for the last 17 years would be the stamped concrete. Stamped concrete, we have tried to simulate natural stones, bricks, or tiles. We even provide customized designs if you want to. Similar to stamped concrete, the other new product that we have launched in the market would be the thin set. We use a polymer cement technology. So rather than putting a thick concrete of 2, 3, or 4 inches, you only need 1/4 of an inch. The third product is Microtop. Microtop utilizes a paper-thin concrete coloration system that can be used both for vertical and horizontal surfaces. It's also ideal for creating logos. There's also a lot of interest nowadays in our exposed system where we can create a sand wash finish, a beach look. And lastly would be the polished concrete. It's very similar to the terrazzo finish. However, we have incorporated new technology by using liquid glass finish to really create luster and more shine into the concrete finish. For this project, this used to be a pebble washout finish. However, it was not really good looking. So what we did, rather than the client removing the existing pebble washout and really tearing the whole place up, what we did was just to install thin set. So as you see, thin set is a very thin concrete overlay. So without removing the existing finishing, we were able to do a stamped concrete finish. Well, right now, we have 3 branches. We're going to soon open a branch in Palawan because there's really a lot of interest there for resorts. And right now, we've been aggressively looking for franchise partners all over the Philippines Right now we have 4, mostly in the Luzon area, but we'll be happy to look for other franchise partners who are interested to learn and get to know more about the different applications of decorative concrete, no? Not just stamped concrete, but the whole product offering of our company. For John's house, we plan to work with him, no, to create and help him create that Zen look, where it's really very clean and more manicured. Of course, we will also be visiting the site, no, to really understand if we can, further introduce other elements. Maybe we can also try to include, if you need some trellis or other landscape elements. As a homeowner, you should allow the designer to really understand also the needs of your site. No? Every site is different, so it's very difficult to just cut and paste a beautiful garden or landscape from one album and then try to recreate it in your garden. So allow your designers or your contractor to really understand what is suited for your garden.